We start with 0. What is 0 in Dholuo? 0 is no. I also find it funny though, but it's no. There could be another word for it, I'm not sure. 1 is
Achiel.
2
Ario.
3
Adek.
4
Angwan.
5 Abich. 6 Auchiel. 7 Abirio. 8 Aboro. 9 Ochiko. And 10 Apar. So now, how do we get 11?
10 plus 1.
11 is 10 plus?
1.
Yes, 11 is 10 plus 1. And 10 is? Apar. Plus Achiel, right? It is 10 plus 1, which is Apar. So instead of this plus, we'll write and means, and is what in Dholuo? Gi. Apar gi Achiel. Normally, instead of saying gi Achiel while speaking so fast, you can also say apar gi Achiel. Apar gi Achiel. So you will do this for all of them up to apar gi Ochiko. Okay? What is 15?
Apar gi
Abich. Because we are only adding apar plus these ones now up to 9. So apar gi Achiel, apar gi Ariyo, apar gi Adek, apar gi Ang'wen, apar gi Abich, apar gi Auchiel, apar gi Abiriyo, apar gi Aboro, apar gi Ochiko. When you get to 20, Pierariyo. Pierariyo. Then you start again. 21 would be Pierariyo plus
1
Achiel. So 21 would be Pierariyo gi Achiel, Pierariyo gi Ariyo, Pierariyo gi Adek, Pierariyo gi Ang'wen, again up to Pierariyo gi Ochiko. When you finish Pierariyo gi Ochiko, you go to, now again another repetition here. Remember that Pierariyo was 20. This now should be Piero.
Adek.
I think it should be Piero. Piero Adek. Again, part 1 would be Piero Adek gi Achiel. So Pierariyo gi Achiel, Pierariyo gi Ariyo, Pierariyo gi Adek, nyaka up to is nyaka. Nyaka means up to. Nyaka. Up to. So Pieradek gi Adek, Pieradek gi Ang'wen, nyaka Pieradek gi Ochiko. Okay? Now you can guess 40. 40 is? Pierang'wen. Okay, now what is 49?
Pierang'wen gi Ochiko.
Pierang'wen gi Ochiko. Aya, 50. What is 50?
Piero abich.
Piero abich. 60.
Piero achiel.
Piero auchiel. Up to all the way nyaka piero chiko. Piero ochiko. What is 99?
Piero chiko gi ochiko.
Piero chiko gochiko. Piero ochiko gi ochiko. That is 99. So now you know numbers from 0 to 99. 100, and this is not the very traditional language, but this is what people say today. Because I know there used to be words like ongo, Piero apar, ongo something, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we continue with 100 is mia achiel. Mia, this is borrowed from Kiswahili. Mia achiel. Those who know the original word for it in Dholuo will say, even me I don't know. But we borrowed this from Kiswahili, so it's mia achiel. Again, you do 100 up to, you will keep saying mia achiel. What is 200?
Miario.
Nyaka 900, which is
Mia ochiko. Mia ochiko.
You don't say mia ochiko. If you say mia ochiko, this mia can also mean, let me show you that. Mia means give me. Mia, give me. So if you say mia ochiko, it means give me ochiko. Okay? So it is mia, not mia. Mia ochiko. So 900 is mia ochiko. This again goes up to 900, because you already know up to what? You can say 901, 910. 910 mia ochiko. What is 910?
Mia ochiko gi apar.
Yes, mia ochiko gi apar. It goes all the way up to 999. What is 999?
Mia ochiko gi piero ochiko gi ochiko.
Yes, mia ochiko gi piero ochiko gochiko. Mia ochiko gi piero ochiko gochiko. Because mia ochiko is here 900, 99 is piero ochiko gochiko. Mia ochiko, piero ochiko gochiko. When you go beyond 999, now you join what? 1000, which is, again, this is also borrowed from Kiswahili. So we just say, we'll say aluf achiel. Aluf achiel. That will also go the whole way. Aluf achiel gachiel, aluf achiel gario, aluf achiel, up to aluf achiel mia ochiko gi piero ochiko gochiko. Then you go to aluf adi, aluf ariyo. Okay? This one also goes on nyaka aluf adi, aluf apar, aluf piero ariyo, aluf piero abich, nyaka aluf mia ochiko. 900,000. 900,000 is aluf
Mia ochiko.
Aluf mia ochiko. And then 900,000, 999, or no, 999,000 999. This is the ultimate question. 999,999. Let's get that one.
1189,999.
Yes, very good. 1199,999. It sounds like music. Alafu you go to what? 1 million. Now in Dholuo is million achiel. You can say it the way you want. Some people call it million. You can even write it like that. Million achiel. Again, you'll go all the way 999 billion and million 999,000, and then you get to 1 billion, okay? Which will be again just billion achiel. So today we have learned numbers from 0 to 1 billion, not even to 1 billion, to a trillion and beyond. Once you figure out what we have written here, you can say any number. Okay? So if somebody asks you, in jahigni adi, in jahigni adi, ama hikigin adi. I think we learn this next. Hikigin adi. The first one is you are how old, and then the second one is how many years. Yeah, your age. What is your age, or how many years do you have, or something like that. Then you can say an jahigni to tell your years. So you can say an jahigni apar, an jahigni pirario, an jahigni piradek, an jahigni pirangwen. Question? Aya.